We are pleased to show you the 2008 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, third row seat, DVD system, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, quad seating, traction control, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.